Hello everyone, we are Group 1 and our group members are Hu Sichen, Wang Yiming, Song Xinyao, and Zhang Shihan. My name is Hu Sichen. My magic number is 8205988. Let me start with the question 1. Today I am going to briefly explain how we derive the LM1 and LM2 curves and then calculate the income levels at different interest rates based on the information given in the question. First, deriving the LM curves. The question gives us the money market information for a country. Money demand has two components, transaction and the precautionary demand. Speculative demand. So the money market equilibrium occurs when MS equals MD. So equals 0.5Y plus 300 minus 500R. Then we can derive in the LM1, where money supply equals 4,000. Then substituting it. So we can get 4,000 equals 0.5Y plus 300 minus 500R. Then we rearrange the equation. Then we can get Y equals 7,400 plus 1,000R. So the LMY equation is Y equals 7,400 plus 1,000R. Then for the LM2, where money supply equals 2,000, then we're substituting it. We can get the equation 2,000 equals 0.5Y plus 300 minus 500R. Then we rearranging it. We can get the final equation Y equals 3,400 plus 1,000R. So the LM2 equation is Y equals 3,400 plus 1,000R. Next, question B. The question asks us to calculate the income level where the interest rate is 5% and 50%. So when R equals 5% equals 0.05, then we substituting it, we can get LMY equals 7,400 plus 1,000 times 0.05. Then we can get final answer is 7,450. Then we substituting the interest rate into LM2. We can get this equation and then the final answer is 3,450. Then when R equals 50% equals 0.115, we can substituting in yet in LMY, we can get Y equals 7,400 plus 1,000 times 0.15. Then we can get the final equation. Final answer is 7,550. Then for the LM2, we can get this. We can get this equation, and then the final answer is 3,550. Okay, that's all for my part.
Okay, hello everyone. My name is Xinyao. My student number is 8206 of 784. Let's see part 1C. Number C, from 1B, we have LM1 MS equal to 4,000 when R equal to 5% Y equal to 7,450. R equal to 15%. Y equal to 7,550. M2, LM2, MS equal to 2,000 when R equal to 5% person, y equal to 3,450, r equal to 15th person, y equal to 3,550. This picture, when r equal to 5, we can this one is LM1, this one is LM2. LM1 is to the right of LM2. Okay, let's see the second. The LM curve slopes upward as the income Y recent transversion money demand MDT equal to 0.5Y encourages to keep money supply equal to money demand. The interest rate R must rise to reduce slightly money demand. MDS equal to 300 slow 500 R. LM1 is to the right of LM2. LM1 corresponds to the large money supply. MS equal to 4,000 vs MS equal to 2,000.
Okay, I will discuss the question 2. For the question 2A, based on the information provided, the LM coequation. MS equal to MDTD plus MSD. So we can get 2000 equal to 0.5Y plus 400 minus 1000 R. And we can calculate the Y equal to 3200 plus 2000 R, and R equal to Y minus 3200 divided by 2000. For the question 2, we can, when R equal to 0.1, we can calculate Y equal to 3000 plus 2000 times 0.1. We can get 3,400. And for the question D, same methods, MS equal to MTD plus MSD. So 2000 equal to 0.5Y plus 500 and minus 1000 R. So we can get Y equal to 3000 plus 2000 R, and R equal to Y minus 3000 divided by 2000. And for the question R, calculate the value at rate of 0.1 and 0.2. So when the R equal to 0.1, we can calculate Y equal to 3000 plus 2000 times 0.1 equal to 3200. And with the R equal to 0.2, and we can calculate the Y equal to 3000 plus 2000 times 0.2 equal to, we can get 3400. Thank you.
The M curve representing money market equilibrium is derived from the given money supply and the demand components. The original LM curve is Y equal to 3200 plus 2000 R, showing a positive relationship between national income Y and the interest rates R. At R equal to 10%, Y equal 3,400, while at R equal to 20%, Y equals 3,600. When autonomous speculativity money demand increase by 100, new LM curve become Y equal to 3,000 plus 2,000, or this can reflect a backward shift in the curve as the slope remain unchanged but the intercepts decrease at or equal to 10%. Y now equal 3,200 and at R equal to 20%, Y equal to 3,400. Both curves are upward sloping straight lines with a new LM curve located 20 units to the left of the original LM curve are all in interest rates, the shape of Q. Because the increase in speculative money demand reduces the amount of money available for transition, requiring a lower level of income to maintain money markets equilibrium at any given interest rate. The horizontal shift magnitude of 200 is calculated as the change in autonomous speculative demand divided by the transition demand coefficient. This demonstrated how changes in liquidity preference directly affect the LM curve and the equilibrium income levels in the economy.